In this video, I will show you how to change Ubisoft email without email, right? So watch this video very carefully because if you don't have an email, then there's an option that you can still change your Ubisoft email, right? So how to do it? So first of all, we have to click here. Now you have to click on the top right menu bar. So basically Ubisoft will ask you to log in into your Ubisoft account, right? So you can using your email address. By the way, you have other options too, but you can use your Facebook account and Xbox, Twitch and PlayStation, right? So let's log in and then I will show you how you can change your email. So now if I just again click on here, by the way, I've already logged into my account, you will get an option of account management, right? So you have to just click on account management and they will redirect to your new page and basically it will load for a few seconds here, right? Now here it will give you each and everything. For example, this is account information, that's security, privacy and everything, right? So first of all, we will just go and check our account information. Now here it will show our email address, right? So how we can change this email address? You have to just click on edit and you will get an option to change, right? So here it says an email with a link to change your email address will be sent to your current address, right? So this is my email. If I just go back here, right, and you can see that I've got an email, and from here you can see welcome to Ubisoft. Now you have access of rich set of services and extra, right? So by the way, they have application of Ubisoft too, right? So we will just refresh it once again whether we have got a mail or not. So we didn't got any mail, right? So here of course we have to click on the send here. Now you can see that email sent. Now I will go again here into my email address and I will check it. Right now we have got the email. Now you have made a request to change your email. Of course we have done. And if I just click on here, then I will get redirected to a new page, and from here I can change my email address very easily, right? If I have to just type my new email here and my email will be changed, right? Now you guys are asking me that how you can change your email address without an email, right? So if I just go back here, right, and if I just click on change, you can see that we have got only one option, that is only our one email, right? And there is a no other solution. So there's only one solution. If you don't have your linked account with Discord or Facebook or Xbox, then you have to change your email just by contacting to the support, right? So we have to just click here, and here we have to search for contact support, which is basically, let me take you back here, this is official website, and here just go to the customer support, right? And here we have to just write here email change and press for the enter. Now changing your username, changing your email on your Ubisoft, right? You have to click on the second option. Now here you will get an option of contact service, right? So definitely this will solve your problem because I've tried for once, and here it says that basically this is regarding our account management, and we will select our account information, and here change your email on your Ubisoft account, right? Of course we were going to, and make sure you just choose the exact option here. Now they will show you the option which I have already done and you would have watched it, right? Now basically we have to go to the bottom and click on contact us, right? Again they will give you the same option. You have to choose the same option here, and by the way here each and everything, as you can see, nothing. But if I just go back here, describe the issue you're experiencing. So here you have to mention each and everything, that you don't have email. By the way, if you have linked your account to PlayStation or Xbox, you can mention there, mention their ID and each and everything. If you don't, that's fine. You have to add files and everything. And after that, in just few seconds, and also give our contact email, our active email. From that email they will contact you, and they will solve the issue, right? So this is the only solution. By the way, you can apply the first solution if you somehow have the access of the email. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.